second graders. I hope you all had a great day yesterday. Today we are on lesson 14 for math. We're getting into something new after our mid-module assessment. We're talking about measuring now. Okay, so it says measure the objects below with an inch tile. Record the measurements in the table provided. So hopefully you have a ruler to use or an inch tile. So if not, you might want to find one now because that's what you'll need to finish today's math. The first object is a pair of scissors. So you're going to lay the pair of scissors down and you're going to measure it with either inch tiles or rulers. And then you will write your answer here for how long it is. So a pair of scissors, I'm just going to guess, make an estimate here, an educated guess. I will say 7 inches. So it's important that we label it by saying inches, because I could be saying it's 7 monkey tails long. Like, we don't know if I don't write it. So I can just say 7 inches, or 7 in IN period is the shortened version of inches. Okay, and then you'll do it with a marker that you have at your house, a pencil, an eraser, a worksheet in your book, the length of the worksheet in your book, and then the width of your worksheet. A desk, you can use a table or something small you have at home because you probably don't have a desk like in school, right? The second page, Mark and Melissa both measured the same marker with an inch tile but came up with different lengths. Circle the student work that is correct and explain why you chose that work. Okay, so you're going to look at Melissa's. She got the answer of 6 inches. Mark got the answer of 7 inches. I want you to circle which one you think is right and then tell me why it's right. Lesson 14, homework. I'd like you to measure these objects found in your home. So you should all probably have these. And write over here the measurement, how many inches it is. And the second page, you're going to explain to me why Norberto's answer will not be correct. Okay, you need to tell me what he did wrong. And the last one, use your inch tile to measure the pen. How many inch tiles long is the pen? So even though it says inch tile, you can replace that with a ruler if you're using a ruler. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.